Our experience was really good. I mean, it's a process going through it and selecting all your options. We had a lot of options to choose from, and I think we got good guidance. A big part of it was having really nice model homes to work with, and that gave you the idea of what could be done, which was a big help. And I think it was a big plus over the other competitors in the area. Don't have those same type of model homes that are decorated as well as these are.
Not only is it a move, but it is a lifestyle change. So Garmin and the subsidiaries really handled that well and addressed those needs.
Being around someone of the same demographics, being new to the area, and being in a 55 plus, you have a lot of people that are like you. So we thought that would be better to meet new people.
We just liked the overall size. We liked the hominess, if you will, the feeling of what this community was going to offer.
It felt like a small town community,
yeah.
And that's what suited us.
Yeah, exactly. Having the clubhouse open has really brought us together with some of the other residents, and the town itself, it's just a really nice community feel.
Yeah, it was a really nice blend of people too. There's people that are from out of state, there's people from other parts of Pennsylvania, there's a lot of people that are local that have decided to move into a 55 plus community. There's people that are still working, and there's people that are still retiring. So it's a nice mesh of people.
And we also just liked the idea of first floor residence if you wanted that, with the option to have a second floor. And while we're healthy and we don't have any type of limitations right now, just stop and think and pause for what the future might bring, and are we suited for that? And all of the homes fit that criteria. The building, if you take the actual foundation of the homes, are very well made. So, coming from an existing home that we had lived in for 43 years, and you tend to hear stories about new construction. None of those were true for us. Garmin has done a wonderful job, remarkable job with the construction. And if there's something that needs to be dealt with, they're right on top of it. Proximity to all of the things in the area. There's great hospitals, there's great entertainment, there's great cultural events, there's things to do with children/grandchildren if you want to. So we're kind of in the hub of having a lot to offer, great restaurants, yet we have that community atmosphere to it. So that was kind of our big draw.
And I think, again, the other draws were the style of the houses are unique. We like them. The quality of the builder is good. When we first came and was talking to someone, they were telling us that they just moved from another Garmin house. I felt, well, that's pretty good. If somebody is buying from Garmin again, that they must have good experiences, and we've had good experiences so far. So